kumana na dokumenya maumirira ma ugaruruku wa riera no ria makoretwo makionekana kuringana na acirithania kuma magoti-ini ma migunda na maria maturigiceirie namba ya Macira ugaruruku wa riera ni mongererekete. Acirithania acio maugite Macira maya makoretwo makiongereka ni gukorwo riu andu ni mamenyete maumirira ma ugaruruku wa riera uria makoretwo makiona guku bururi-ini.
Rere miario ya ugaruruku wa riera ikoretwo igithie na mbere bururi-ini na thĩ yothe handu ya ruma Macira makonainie naguo ni mongererekete guku bururi.
They are seeking orders to legislatures, to policymakers and business enterprises later.
Makeria kuwera ngwataniro ya acirithania a maria maturigiceirie migunda na uruti wa wira ya Pan Africa. Acirithania ni maugite ati undu uyu ucungiirio ni Akenya ukorwo mena umenyo muingi wa maumirira ma ugaruruku wa riera maria makoretwo makionekana guku bururi-ini.
More and more Kenyans are becoming aware of the impacts of climate change, and also there is greater sensitization from the various non-state actors, the civil societies, the multilateral agencies that work with communities and also partner with other organizations. And it's also because climate change is no longer a local issue here, it is a global issue. So the impacts are felt across, they affect everyone, regardless of your location, regardless of your status, and regardless of where you reside or whatever you do. So that's the reason why we are having more and more cases.
Na andikia mohoro mucirithania Edward Mabuto ni augite ati bururi wena acirithania aiganu agotwa Macira maya magoti-ini.
Many cases being filed. We are only recording an increase in the number of cases. So we have enough judges as we speak. And that's why even the court itself, as you saw recently, this particular year in July, our Chief Justice launched those particular divisions so that we have the Environment and Planning Division together with the Land Division, so that the cases for climate change can be prioritized under that particular Environment Division, and enough judges have been assigned to handle those particular cases.
Mwenaini wake mucirithania Jacqueline Mogeni ni atogeretie ikinya riu akiuga ati mamwe Macira maya mekorwo magitwirwo matura-ini.
There are also community processes that can be able to address the impact of climate change, and these matters can be resolved without necessarily moving to court. Pajela pledged to play a proactive role in addressing climate-related issues within the scope of judicial duties. This commitment aligns with the growing global movement of climate justice and underscores the judiciary's role in upholding the rights of the citizens. As you are aware, members of Pajela are judges, and that's why we have that resolution. The sixth is that the just concluded workshop represents a significant step towards a more comprehensive and integrated approach to addressing climate change in Kenya, one that recognizes its profound implication for human rights, especially among the marginalized populations.
Murugamiri munene wa gikundi kia haki jamii Zipora Muthama ni augite ati kigomano kiu ni guteithiriria miario ya umenyo wa maumira ma ucenjia wa riera kwi ihoto cia Kenya.
The workshop served as a platform for in-depth discussions, knowledge sharing, and the exchange of experiences on the intersection between climate change and human rights, particularly as they relate in the African context.
Gerivotera Muthingi TV, jitagwo Triza Wainaina.